years old. Date of birth, February 3rd, 2006. Sophia Casso is 4 foot, 10 inches tall, weight 120 pounds. She has brown hair with brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a gray tank top, blue jean capri pants, and sandals. Police are looking for 2 unknown white males. One of the males has black hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a white shirt, blue jeans, and a large gold watch in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving a black newer model Ford F-150 with an unknown license plate. The suspect was last heard from in Corpus Christi, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Corpus Christi Police Department at 361-886-2802. The number to the Corpus Christi Police Department again is 361-886-2802.
San Antonio, NOAA weather radio roundup at 10 p.m. in San Antonio. It was partly cloudy. The temperature was 88, the dew point 71. The relative humidity was 57%.
So what happened is I was watching infinite lists on the worst intros, and then I hear my zone guard go off. And then my Radio Shack goes off. And then my WR120 goes off. For some reason, my WR100 never went off. And did I say WR100? I just meant WR120. Actually, I sort of knew that I said WR120. So, yeah, that's still flashing. So, yeah, that's the second child abduction emergency I've gotten this week. I got one last night. I can't remember where it was, but people are just sick. I'll tell you that. I'm gonna get a video of this flashing for Stasher Gaming.